Hi there, my name is Wendy with loveandstampin.com. A lot of you already know who I am who follow me regularly. I wanted to pop in today and just share with you, in a few days, January 5th, you're going to be able to purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit for $99 plus tax, but the shipping is free, and you get 5 packs of designer series paper. They're 6x6 packs in all the colors. I wish I had them to show you, but unfortunately I don't have them yet. I ordered them late. What was I thinking? So I don't have them handy to show you, but I did want to pop in and just tell you about it, because if you have a wish list that you've already started to purchase stuff when the new catalog goes live, I really want you to consider purchasing the starter kit instead. You get a 20% discount on all your products when you purchase the starter kit. All the starter kit is a membership. A lot of people like to make it into something it's not. You don't have to be a big time demonstrator. You don't have to do videos. You don't have to hold workshops. You don't have to do any of that kind of stuff. But what you do get is the benefit of being part of my lovely Stampers group, which is amazing. We have the best time together, and it's a really amazing group to be part of, and lots of exclusive benefits in that. But you get that 20% discount on all your orders. And there's a few of you out there that order from me that I feel bad every single time you place an order, because I'm like, they could be getting a 20% discount and they don't do it. So just think about it. If it's something that you might be interested in doing, it's really no different than buying a Costco membership. Again, you get that bonus 5 packs of designer series paper. You get free shipping on the kit. You get to choose $125 in product to put into the kit. And then you only pay $99 plus tax. So again, shipping's free. So if you already have a wish list going and you have about $100 worth of stuff that you want to buy, get free shipping, get an extra $26 in product for free, and get those 5 paper packs for free. Why wouldn't you? And for those of you who are dying to get your hands on that mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, you can add that to your starter kit. So January 5th is the day to do it, because that's when you get the 5 packs of designer series paper. January 5th, 2021 through the end of February is when you get this awesome offer. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will address them for you. There's no obligation. A lot of people get really hung up on that there's some big obligation. It's just not a big deal. So there's no Stampin' Up! Police that I'm aware of that are going to come out and get you if you decide to go back to being a customer. It's okay. But in the meantime, take advantage of the 20% discount, take advantage of getting that free paper, and take advantage of that $26 in free product and the free shipping. It's the best deal for your money, people. The best deal for your money, hands down. But you do you. If you don't want to buy the starter kit and you just want to place an order, I am happy to earn the commission. No problems, no questions asked. But I always feel like it's my job to tell you about this so that somebody else doesn't say, why didn't your demonstrator tell you that you could be getting 20% off all of your orders? So I've done my job for today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.